Hello, my name is Sam Dahl,
Hi, I'm Lindsay Hunkins.
and we are visual arts teachers at Hill Murray, and we are very proud to show off our visual arts program. This is the art room where all the painting, drawing, and sculpture happens right here.
And this is the ceramics room. We'll start here on this tour. Let me show you around.
At Hill Murray, I teach ceramics 1, 2, and 3, where students learn to use the pottery wheel and hand building techniques to produce decorative and functional works of art.
I also teach middle school art, where students focus on drawing, painting, and sculpture skills through hands-on activities. This provides students an opportunity to practice creative and critical problem solving, exploring different mediums and art techniques, while creating two-dimensional and three-dimensional artworks. Sam, what do high school students do in this room?
Lots!
At Hill Murray, I teach Studio Art 1, 2, and 3. The materials we use in Studio Art 1 alternates every other year. In even graduation years, students learn sculpture and illustration, and in odd graduation years, students learn painting and drawing. Studio Art 2 and 3 are the upper-level art courses for students who wish to work independently to create their own portfolios of artwork, sometimes for college applications or scholarship applications, and work with advanced techniques in sculpture, painting, drawing, and printmaking. Speaking of printmaking, we offer in our Studio Art classes the opportunity for students to use actual printing presses to make intaglio and relief prints, which generate multiple copies of their original artwork. Most students put their prints up for sale in the Hill Murray Fine Arts Fair and Exhibition.
At Hill Murray, students have the opportunity to sell artwork that yields many copies from printmaking in their studio art classes, from photography in their photography classes, digital illustrations from their computer graphics classes, and reproducible items from ceramics. The art fair is typically held in the spring at the same time as the art exhibition, where students display their work to be judged and awarded first, second, third, and honorable mentions, which include prize money.
The art fair is a wonderful opportunity we provide for our students, and not just for students who make artwork with their hands. I also teach computer graphics 1, 2, and 3, and photography 1 and 2, and a middle school class devoted to computer graphics and photography as well. And as Ms. Hunkins has said, all of these students have the opportunity to participate in the art fair with the work they make in those classes.
In the computer graphics classes at Hill Murray, students are introduced to the Adobe software suite on both their MacBooks and on an iPad. They learn Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop and InDesign and use iPad apps such as Adobe Fresco to do digital drawings with an Apple Pencil. Beyond learning these various applications, students put them to use to learn the principles of design, improve their visual communication skills, and occasionally solve real-world problems with graphic design. In the upper-level computer graphics classes, students have the opportunity to work with a client brought in from the outside community with a real need for their own business, and seniors have the opportunity to do internship work in the design and marketing departments of local businesses. Photography students refine their skills with camera and Adobe Photoshop to create compelling photographic artworks, and they do get to do a little bit of filmmaking with iMovie.
So that just about sums up the opportunities your student will have in the visual arts program at Hill Murray. All students with a wide range of abilities in the arts are most welcome. In the end, taking a visual arts class at Hill Murray will allow your student to develop their understanding of how images communicate and persuade and enhance their attention to detail. And if your student has a passion for the arts, they have the opportunity to become a better artist.
Yes, and thank you so much for taking the time to see our presentation of the wonderful program we have here at Hill Murray. We hope to see you in the art room soon.
And if you have any questions, please contact us at our email addresses.